Bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement. In case you are struggling to understand bank reconciliation, after this teaching that I'm going to break down step by step in the simplest way possible for you to understand it. We are going to learn how to compare your cash book with your bank statement, identifying discrepancies, and ensure that your financial record are accurate. Whether you are a student, a business owner, or a beginner in accounting, this guide will help you master bank reconciliation quickly and confidently without any delay. What is a bank reconciliation statement? Bank reconciliation is the process of comparing a company's cash book, which is its internal record of cash transactions, with the bank statement, which is also the bank's record, to make sure both balances match and are accurate. Make sure they match and are accurate. You know, sometimes your records and the bank's record don't show the same balances. This can happen because when transactions or transaction recorded in one place but not yet in the other place occurs. How? When you have issued check and in your cash book in the office you have written it off that this check is out, it has been taken to the bank. Getting to the bank, and the bank people forget or forgot to post in order for you to be debited and for the destination of the check to be credited at the end of the accounting period. If this was not handled well, then while reconciling in your book, it will be showing that this money has gone out. In your bank statement, it will be showing you that this money is still in. That is one of the reasons. Secondly, bank charges or fees. These are charges the bank charge you after every transaction. Without the bank statement, you will not know that there was a charge, because not every alert comes with charge. That is the simple implication. Deposit not yet cleared. The same thing I explained before now. When you deposit money, the other one was check. When you deposit money into the bank and you are back home, because of network issue, it might not be easy for them to post. You start being worried, or sometimes you just overlook, depending on the kind of transaction you go through on a daily basis or the trust you have with your bank. At the end of the month, at the end of the banking accounting period, you find out that that money was not posted. That is the essence of this bank statement. Then error or omission. When some accounts, some amount of money are being omitted to be posted, it becomes an issue. It becomes a challenge which must be reconciled. These are the main things that leads to bank reconciliation, or brought about bank reconciliation, or makes it useful to the users and the business owners. Bank reconciliation helps you to identify and correct these differences. Example, If your cash book shows 50,000 naira, but your bank statement shows 47,000 naira, you perform a bank reconciliation to find out why there is a 3,000 naira difference. That is the essence. Then why is it important? Why is bank reconciliation important? It is important to dictate errors and a fraud, because some transactions that you did not approved of, with bank reconciliation you will dictate them. That means fraud. It will be hard for you to encounter fraud with your banking system. Secondly, to keep financial record accurate, making sure that every transaction is in order. Moving forward, both the cash and both the bank record are matching together, giving you one result. It also helps with proper financial reporting. If bank reconciliation is in order, your reporting will be always accurate at every point in time. It ensures you know your true cash position. Bank reconciliation gives you accurate cash position of your business activities, mainly the one in the bank account. Note that bank reconciliation is the process of making sure your financial records agree with your bank record. That is another definition for you to embark on this journey, something to take home with. Stay on top of your finance and keep your record clean and accurate with the bank reconciliation statement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple accounting lessons. Then close it with sharing to other people in your contact.